Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I am joining in a YouTube hop to celebrate Lisa Cuneo's 500 subscribers on her YouTube channel. She of course will be linked below so that you can go over there and, sorry I just sat down so you probably lost me a little bit. So you can go over there and subscribe to her and make her subscriber count even bigger. How awesome would that be? Alright, so Lisa gave us some parameters for this hop. Let me just grab them. Sorry, I'm not very organised today, but anyway. So she said we could do basically what we wanted, or we could do a this and that challenge she gave us. So we could use a big title or lots of journaling, wood grain or mixed media, stencil or stamping, acrylic pieces or enamel dots. So I have gone for the big title, the wood grain, the stamping and enamel dots. And I'm just going to get into it and I'll chat a little bit and then I'll probably speed you up. So I have some photos here of the big pineapple. Now if you are an Australian, you probably know about the big pineapple. It was a major tourist destination in Queensland in the 60s, 70s and beyond. It closed sometime, I think in the 2000s, I'm not exactly sure. But we lived in Sydney, so I grew up in Sydney. And we went there for, well, we went to the Big Pineapple as part of a Queensland holiday we went on. And this is it back in the, I think it's probably the early 1970s or the late 60s. Probably the early 70s. Look at the old cars. That's an old Falcon, an old Holden panel wagon, an old Ute. Oh my gosh, memories. And that's where everyone went out. When they went out, they dressed up. Formal pants or shorts with long socks and shoes, like none of the jeans and shorts type of daggy shorts we have now and stuff like that. Normally collared shirts or polo shirts with a collar. Oh my goodness. And then this is the massive fields of pineapples, and they had this cool train that went around, and it was yellow with this cool yellow canopy. And you jumped on there and it was a little steam train that went around the plantation showing you the pineapples and the different stages of their growth with a, you know, voiceover talk thing. It was really cool, really loved it. Well, they've recently reopened it. So anyone who wants to go, it is reopened. They've not the whole thing though. They still don't have the train up and running. Sorry. But they have the, wait, what size do I want this? They have the big pineapple refurbished, and you can go in and check it out. And they're trying to raise money, I think, for get the train up and running. So that'll be cool when they get that happening. I don't know what they have in the big pineapple. I think I've seen a few photos online. They're trying not to show people because they want people to pay to go in and see it. It's like, I think, $10 or something to go in per person. Some people are balking at that price, but I guess, you know, if you want a tourist destination, then you have to pay for its upkeep and its running and stuff. But anyway, people are probably going, oh, $10. Oh, I don't know where to put this. Oh, $10 is a lot of money for just going in and looking in a great big, you know, what's it called? Oh, what's the word? It's gone. The type of structure it is. I want to say weatherboard. That's not right. It's a big, oh my lord. Where has my brain gone? Now, I want to try and find my distresser and I can't find it, of course. So, oh, let's just use scissors. What's it called? Not acrylic. Oh my gosh, they make boats and stuff out of it. Oh geez, really? Anyway, someone will know what I'm talking about. Not aluminium, fiberglass. That's it. Fiberglass. Thank you, whoever said that to me in my mind. Yeah, it's this big fiberglass structure. So we used to, every school holidays, put the caravan on the back of the car and go somewhere. And I loved that about my childhood. I saw so much of Australia. And it was so cool. So anyway, they're the photos I'm doing, and I am probably going to speed you up now because I've jabbered on long enough. So enjoy what I come up with. Okay, there is my completed page. It's a mix of vintage and modern. I was going more vintage vibe because of the photos. They are from, you know, the 70s. And I love how the title came out because that's exactly how I wanted it. I wanted it like a little bit off because of a vintage type vibe, I guess. But then when I looked at the embellishments I'd picked out, well, they're quite modern. They're pink fresh. They're not exactly vintage. But anyway, I've mixed the two together and I think it works. This is in celebration of Lisa Cuneo's 500 subscribers, and she will be linked below. And there's also a playlist below for everyone else who is playing along. So make sure you jump over there and check it out. And I'd really love it if you went over to Lisa's page and subscribed if you're not already a subscriber. Get her up to 1,000 now. She's reached 500. Let's keep going. If you've enjoyed this video and this layout, please hit that thumbs up button by giving me a like. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.